Abet. Abet is a verb, which means to help or to encourage someone for doing bad things. For instance, a girl is encouraging her boyfriend for robbery on the bank.
She brainwashed to his boyfriend that thieving money at bank or shooting someone is so easy, and I would help you. Basically, she was abetting him for robbery or shooting someone else.
However, a prisoner was escaped because of abetted by policeman before appearing in the court. Father shoots his son because he has abetted by someone else due to misconception. Son is not with his family now, so sad. Alright. Going toward Abet's synonyms. Encourage. Further. Forward. Promote. On the contrary. Antonyms of abet: restrain, discourage, inhibit, regulate, constrain. Abet. 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 Thank you.